This crazy temperature, my goodness. Let me put it on a proper level. 4 a.m. in the morning here in Mexico. We have extreme adventure planned for today. I feel like that's the moment when I really hate what I'm doing. Can someone take me back to sleep, please? Who woke up at 4 a.m. in the morning? This is our vehicle. If we don't come back, this is the car that we're driving.
And just like that, 5 a.m. in the morning, 7 flight attendants left their fear of heights back in the hotel room and are going for an adventure.
How much are we gonna be driving?
1 hour.
1 hour? We'll arrive. There's a place. Ooh la la. I see already everyone's here. We're supposed to have a breakfast here before, because we're starving. We're gonna have a good weather. We're gonna see the sunrise today or not?
Yes.
Because it doesn't really look like we have a rain now.
We'll see at least a lot of balloons in the air.
Despite a long wait and a wet weather, hot tea, even hotter Mexican music, and a promise of spectacular sunrise kept the spirit high.
Boss, are we gonna go somewhere today?
Yeah, maybe.
They preparing something?
Because the sky is a little
And we cannot see anything, yeah?
The light is coming up outside and the boredom arises.
So many coffees are being drunk. The tension arises.
Your bag.
How many layers? Show me.
So, 1, 2, 3 blouses.
And the t-shirt. So 4. 1, 2, 3. Vacation in Mexico. Honestly, we wanted to already give up 3 times. It's dangerous. There was few accidents, but apparently this company is legit. And now, because of the weather conditions, we also wanted to give up. But since we have a good spirit, we are going. Going to the balloon, seeing the clouds. Keep us safe, please. We cannot be cold because too much hot. Too much hot. Adios. Oh my God, hot, hot, hot. We are flying. The pyramid.
You hear this music in the background, Mexican music, I can't.
So exciting, no? You know, the view is still not stunning. There's some but there is some rubbish, but we are still excited. There's nothing visible, but
We are visible.
we are. Hola!
Hola, mamacitas!
The view. The pyramid
He doesn't know where we're gonna land.
and the other balloons.
The other balloon.
Can't believe I live in.
Gonna be roasted from the right side.
Probably.
Probably, yeah.
Can't believe I live in your thoughts. I think about you all the time, morning, evening, and midnight. Such a wonderful delight.
So you can just land randomly, right? You can land randomly, like you don't have a particular spot. You cannot control that much. Flying with the balloon over the cactus field.
Instead of seeing the details of the ancient city below, you were able to see a typical Mexican cemetery as well as discovered how the local community is starting their day.
Yeah, they're running to catch us, but we cannot really land because it's not easy to control the balloon. They're landing the cars. How do you like the landing?
I think it's better than the first.
What if we don't have gas anymore?
30 minutes more.
30 minutes more of the gas. If we don't have enough of gas, we drop one passenger. They landed, they already put the material.
Cabin crew prepare for landing.
Cabin crew prepare for landing. Brace, brace!
Prepare, hold on.
Hold on!
One more. Everybody okay?
Everyone's fine! Woohoo! We open the top in 1 minute and the balloon is down.
Yeah.
Uno, dos.
Only in a picture.
Uno, dos, tres.
Not yet.
Ooh. Woohoo! Salud! Salud!
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Yes, thank you.
Me pasa la...
I can't believe it! Even with the rain and with everything.
Partiendo el cielo. Hala, congratulations. Cactuses look like in the movies. Sombrero. Gracias. I've reached to the Teotihuacan. That's the name. Third largest pyramid in the world, and we're fortunate with the weather, as apparently a few days ago it was sunny, warm. Now it's like winter and it's pretty cold, freezing, but still excited to see the third largest pyramids in the world.
Teotihuacan was one of the largest cities in the ancient world, translated literally the place where men become gods. Can you imagine that all the pyramids are lying in perfect distance of each other and even reflect the exact orbits of the planets? On top of that, no one really knows where this huge civilization ended up.
In Stockholm. They could, or maybe shamans. Do you know shamans?
Yes.
We believe in shamans. They did all this using math, architecture, geometry, acoustic drainage. The drainage here is better to Mexico City, really. And this drainage had 2,000 years. And Mexico is a chaos, speaking about drainage. That's the sound of the bird.
Hi there, Madalena.
Like this.
Since the acoustics here are better than in some theaters, you can get yourself a new souvenir, a whistle that imitates any bird.
Good acoustic.
How did they make it?
How they did know? They was aliens.
Aliens, yeah?
I can't imagine, but I not understand.
Yes.
150 years the people doing this, I not understand.
We're super jet lagged, way ahead, way past the schedule. It's 12. We're supposed to be in bed now. But girls, how do you like Mexico?
Amazing.
Hola, buenos días. to whoever is watching. In Europe/Dubai, it's right now middle of the night, and we're going for a dinner with a crew. I'm not a big fan of Mexican food. We don't have a good Mexican places, so I have completely no idea how the Mexican cuisine tastes. So let's give it a try.
Can't believe that we made it to such a traditional Mexican restaurant where there's so many groups of mariachis, maybe 4, and they are playing to their customers. I love it.
Where are we? Where are we? In Mexico!
What are we gonna have? Margaritas! Honestly speaking, except margaritas, I have no idea what are we gonna have because they don't speak English, we don't speak Spanish, so the body language is our main key. As you can see, one song is 150 pesos, or for more romantic ones, 1 hour 4,000 pesos.